Hi mates, after this video radical is going to be your best friend. But what is the question and where should we start the solution? We are going to find the value of this radical expression without a calculator. To solve this, I'm going to start my solution by working on this inner part, which means no worries, come here, I'm going to show you the inner part, this part. Let me write it here. We have second root of 8 over second root of 72 minus second root of 54. As you know, 8 can be written as a product of 4 and 2. Also, 72 can be written as a product of 36 and 2. 54 can be written as a product of 27 and 2. So let me rewrite them here in the form of second root of 4 times 2 over second root of 36 times 2 minus second root of 27 times 2. Next step, as you know, second root of a times b can be written in the form of second root of a times second root of b. Let me write it here. Second root of a times b is second root of a times second root of b, right? So I'm going to follow this exponential rule to continue the solution. Our expression is going to be second root of 4 times second root of 2 over second root of 36 times second root of 2 minus second root of 27 times second root of 2. Next step, this second root of 2 on top, let me use this, with this second root of bottom and this one can be cancelled off. So our expression is going to be second root of 4 over second root of 36 minus second root of 27. What is second root of 4? All you know, 2. Second root of 36, 6. So let me rewrite it here. We have on top 2 over 6 minus second root of 27. To continue the solution, I'm going to multiply both top and bottom by conjugate of denominator, which means 6 plus second root of 27. Exactly same as top. I write here 6 plus second root of 27. Our expression is going to be 2 times this one, 6 plus second root of 27. Bottom we have 6 minus second root of 27 times 6 plus second root of 27. Now, let me continue by working on denominator. Denominator is in the form of a minus b times a plus b. This one, a minus b times a plus b. It can be written in the form of first term squared minus second term squared. So let's keep it here. How can we rewrite the denominator? A minus b times a plus b can be a to the power of 2, here 6, minus b to the power of 2, here second root of 27. On top we have 2 times 6, which means 12, plus 2 times second root of 27. Now, 6 to the power of 2 is going to be 36. Second root of 27 to the power of 2, these two as exponent, these two as root can be cancelled off. So the answer is 27. Let me know, 36 minus 27 is 639. So our expression is going to be on top 12 plus 2 second root of 27. On bottom we have 9. Let me keep it here. Now, I want to ask you a question. Is this our final answer? No. We are going to find the value of second root of this inner part. So we need a radical here. Let me rewrite it here. So second root of 8 over second root of 72 minus second root of 54 is 12 plus 2 second root of 27 over 9. So we need to find the value of this radical expression. To do this, I need to erase this part. Until I'm erasing, let me ask you a question. What is your strategy to continue the solution? How can we calculate the value of this radical expression? And remember, we cannot use a calculator. So what should we do? So again, I'm going to continue my solution by working on this inner part, which means, let me rewrite it here, 12 plus 2 second root of 27 over 9. How can we continue the solution? Look, what is 27? 27 is 9 times 3, right? What is 12? 12 is 9 plus 3. Let me rewrite it here in the form of 9 plus 2 times second root of 9 times second root of 3 over 9. What is second root of 9? Well, you know, this is 3. So we have here 9 plus 3. So I write this 3 after this. So I rewrite it in the form of 9 plus 2 times 3 times this second root of 3 plus 3 over 9. Guys, what is this? Can you notice the same point I see here? Look, can we write it in the form of a squared plus twice of the product of the first term and second term plus second term, or not? Look, this one can be written in the form of 3 to the power of 2. So if this is first term, twice of the product of the first term and second term. So this one must be a perfect square. So we can rewrite it in the form of second root of 3 raised to the power of 2. I rewrite it here as 3 to the power of 2 plus 2 times 3 times second root of 3 plus second root of 3 raised to the power of 2 over what is 9. 9 can be written in the form of 3 to the power of 2. Next step, what is this? A squared plus twice of the product of the first term and second term plus second term. S squared is going to be first term plus second term squared, right? So I rewrite it in the form of 3 plus second root of 3 squared over 3 squared. What is our next step? All you know, a to the power of n over b to the power of n can be written in the form of a over b raised to the power of n. So I use this exponential rule and write it in the form of 3 plus second root of 3 over 3 raised to the power of 2. Now, we are going to find out the second root of this expression. So, what is the answer? These two as exponent, these two as root can be cancelled off. So 3 plus second root of 3 over 3 is our final answer. But we can continue how all you know, a plus b over c can be written in the form of a over c plus b over c. So I write it in the form of 3 over 3 plus second root of 3 over 3. 3 over 3 is 1 plus second root of 3 over 3. And what is this? And this is the most simplified answer of our question. Remember, if you use different way to solve this question, please let me know. It always makes me happy to see how creative you guys can be.